Welcome to Mechanicy Stuff.
Welcome to Mechanicy Stuff. Today's adventure is we're going to make a set of spacers to set the ride height on my P38 Range Rover. In the previous vid, we changed the ride height sensors because they were knackered. It's basically three parts. We changed the sensors. We have to make the spacers. It obviously needs one for each corner 3 times, so it's a lot of arsing about. And then in another vid, we'll get the data come out and we'll go through the whole procedure of setting them. I was going to show you where they actually go in situ on the Range Rover, but because it's been sat on the bloody ramps for 6 weeks, the battery's flat as a fart, so it's on charge. So I shall draw some pictures. If you like this sort of stuff, please like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comments. All right, let's get on with it. I'm not the world's best drawer, but if we imagine this is the axle, that's the wheel. That's the wheel. This is the axle. All right. On the axle, there's rubber bump stops. All right. There's one at each corner, if that's the vehicle, with wheels. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 rubber bump stops. And this is a cut out of the chassis, right? Like that. Engine's obviously sort of here, innit? And gearbox. There's another rubber bump stop on here. Now the ride height is set between this dimension and that dimension there. And basically what we have to do, we have to cut this broom handle according to the instructions on the internet, and we have to cut 2 at 145 millimeters, 2 at 140, 2 at 115, so 2 at 105, 2 at 100, 2 at 80, and 2 at 75. So we'll get on with that, and we'll show you. We'll get them marked up. So that gives you a rough idea of why we're cutting the spacers. The ride height is set on each corner. I said there's a sensor on each corner, so it's basically for self-leveling. It works to a degree. I quite like the P38 suspension. When it's actually working, let's have a look. I'll do it like this. When it's actually working, it works really well. Problem is, a lot of people either can't repair it or won't repair it. The bits aren't expensive, to be honest. It is, as usual with the P38, it's messing about. 145. So we'll mark you up. 1, 5. All this is in metric, it's in millimeters. So just do 2 of them. What we'll do, I'm assuming this has to be as accurate as possible. Instead of remeasuring it, we'll do it like that. And it's going to be as near as damn it, isn't it? We'll do at 140. For some reason, there's a 5mm difference between the back 2 and the front 2. Don't ask me why. If anybody actually knows why, please put a comment in the comments, because I would be very interested to know. Because you would assume the setting, does it sit like that or does it actually sit level? Well, I did make a set of these once before for my son, but he has them and he doesn't live on my doorstep, so Simpler just to make another set. Right, we'll put all these in two. So back, front, what's the next ones? 105. Might we have to squeeze one out of this one. Hopefully. Sounds like the brushes are a bit dodgy on, haven't it? 105. That's not so bloody sounds, is it now? This has been one of those jobs I've been putting off and putting off for ages, and I went to pick some things up with the Range Rover in the trailer, and of course we got halfway there and it went on to full ride height and maximum of 35 kilometers an hour. 100, isn't it? These. And we do carry a jumper. It's a little gadget that you plug in, and it sort of resets the suspension, but there was a fault. So about every 4 or 5 miles we had to keep stopping. My wife had to keep getting out and plugging the bloody jumper in. She was not amused. At 100. You'll get the gist of it, wouldn't you? Oh, shit. What good is it? What did we say? 180. This is the last, what I would call boring job. I've had loads of shit to do. I'm desperate to get back on seeing if Fiona will start. I purposely took her out of here and put her in another garage just over the yard. Because I know what I'm like. I'd rather play with Fiona than actually do things that I'm supposed to do. Right, and last, bollocks, 280. Alright, I'll have to go get some more wood. Just bear with me a minute. I'm back. Just found another bit of broom, but I actually think I've probably got enough, to be honest. 75. Let's mark him up. Right, 75. Right, they're all as near as damn it. What I'll do is I'll just take all the burrs and the rough edges off on sander, but that's what you really want to watch me to do that. We'll call that a draw for today. Again, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. Cheers. Take care.